As the snowstorm rolled in, Emily tightened her scarf, the icy wind cutting like a blade. She stood at her cabin's frosted window, staring at the weather report. Power outages were spreading across the state. "This is no ordinary storm," she murmured. The first hack struck Emily's mind. With the power out, she crafted a heater from a terracotta pot, a metal stand, and tea candles. Lighting the candles, she placed the pot over them, channeling heat throughout her small living room. Emily shivered as drafts crept under the door. Grabbing bubble wrap and duct tape, she sealed the windows and doors. Using blankets, she layered walls to trap heat further. The temperature began to rise slightly. Emily opened her pantry, thankful for canned soup and granola bars. To keep perishables fresh without a fridge, she placed them in a cooler and left it on her shaded porch. Nature's freezer was reliable. Wrapping herself in layers of wool and thermal socks, Emily realized movement was crucial. She did light exercises and even boiled water for a hot water bottle to place under her blanket. By morning, the storm had passed. The sun peeked out, glistening off the snow. Emily smiled, proud of her resourcefulness. Sometimes survival isn't about heroics, it's about preparation.